In the market for a 2013 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle.
Get more for your money with a car that features dependability and low kilometres.
With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission.
Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: an alarm system, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power windows, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.